Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to organize photos in Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos application. Firstly, what we can do, we can add photos to the albums. So we need to select one photo or few photos. And then at the bottom click Add to album. Then create a new one. You can add it to already existed album, but I want to add a new. Let's call it, I don't know, photos 1. And now we have it. If you go to the collections, albums, right here you have these photos. Also, you can add some photos to your favorite photos, and you can sort it like this. So let's say you want to add this photo to your favorite. You have two options how to do this. The first one is to tap at the photo and then click at the star. Done. Or if you want to add, let's say, multiply photos, you just select them. And right here, you need to find favorite and tap at this line. Then you can find it if you go to the collection and to the favorites. Right here we have these photos. Also, we can hide some photos if you don't need them. So we have two options. Or add it to archive. So press and hold at the photo. Then you need to scroll and select Move to Archive. Done. And then go to the collections, scroll down. Right here we have archive, and right here we have this photo. And you cannot see this photo at the main photos feed. Or we can add these photos to locked folder. You need to also press and hold, then scroll, and you need to find Move to Locked folder. Move. On iPhone you need to delete them, on Android you need to do nothing, you just move it to the locked folder. So after that we go to the collections, again you need to scroll down, and right here we have locked line. Tap at this line, open. Also, if you open locked folder for the first time, it will ask you to, is you want to backup these photos. So click turn on backup or turn off, it's up to you. I turn on it here, I want to backup my photos in locked folder. So after you enter, you need to write your password, and right here you have now access to these photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!